Police department.
Hello? Hello? Can you send the ghost cops?
There's no such thing as ghost cops, ma'am.
What? Sure there is. There's a theme song and everything. Ghost cops.
We can send real cops instead.
Oh, okay. There's a ghost in my house and he won't leave.
We'll be right there.
Goodness me, you don't have to hurt him.
Stand back, ma'am! We're trained professionals! Why can't he feel my beatings of justice?
I think this perp isn't really here.
What the hell does that even mean?
I think his soul has been stripped from his mortal coil, leaving his tormented essence forever trapped to our physical plane.
So what you're saying is I can't shoot him?
Yes, that's precisely what I'm saying! Oh, beans.
Whoops.
Oh, fuck. Now there's two ghosts.
Yeah, but stop resisting!
Stop resisting,
Got
sir!
guns on him, sir!
Reaching for my
Stop
gun!
resisting!
Oh boy, it's opposite day! Extra, extra, opposite day! Opposite day! Yeah, opposite day. Opposite day! Opposite day!
Opposite day.
Opposite day! Opposite day. Opposite day. Opposite day. Opposite day. Opposite day. Opposite day. And second thought, maybe I won't go out today.
And this is my house.
Wow, nice place you got here.
It's not much, but it's home.
So, what's with all the newspapers?
Oh, that's for my dog Spunks. He has a bad habit of pooping on the...
Huh. Natural gas prices rose 3% last month. Makes you think. Looks like it's gonna rain on Thursday. Friday, too.
No! This game sucked my butt! Ah!
My sweet, sweet grandson. Always remember to go out and enjoy life. There's a beautiful world outside. You just have to get out there and explore it.
She's right.
Watch out, world. Here I come.
No scope, bitch!
All right, time to get those secret files and blow this case wide open. Blow. Blowjobs. Oh no.
Dick Tucker, the easily aroused secret agent.
All right, time to get those secret art files and bust this case wide open. Bust. Boobs. Boobies. Oh no.
Dick Tucker, the easily aroused secret agent.
You thought you'd get my secret missile files, but now you're strapped to a not-so-secret missile yourself. Best of luck, Dick Tucker.
Breast of luck. I'm going to die. Wait, the control panel. I need to press that button. Button. Butt. Butts. Big butts. Big black butts.
Dick Tucker, the easily aroused secret agent.